So it's 18:31 on Wednesday the 9th of October, and I'm going to go over to my portfolio, okay? And my last trade that I did in my last video was it ended up on Livecoin, and I've got dollars sitting in Livecoin, 274. Now, I don't want to withdraw the dollars, so what I think I'm going to do is convert those dollars into TEVAR, because TEVAR is sort of linked to the dollar. And once I've got it into TEVAR, I will see what Jonny Blockchain suggests that I do with that TEVAR to make a profit. So first off, I'm going to go to Livecoin. So once I'm logged into Livecoin, as you can see, there's my dollars, okay, $280. So I'm going to come up to the top here, which says buy and sell, and I'm going to go down to trade. Once I'm on this screen, I'm going to choose USD, and I'm going to put USDT in there, and I've got the USD and TEVAR market. So I'm going to come to here because I want to buy TEVAR for US dollars. Now I can either place a limit order or I can switch over to a market order. As you can see, if I do a limit order, I'll get 266 TEVARs. Okay, I'll get 266 TEVAR, but the order might not fill completely. So if I switch to a market order and I click the buy button, I'll actually get 260. So I lose a little bit, but my order should fill. So click buy, and my order was successful. Okay, so I have no US dollars now, and if I look over this side, I've got this much TEVAR. So I'm going to look to see what TEVAR will do in my portfolio. So I'm going to come over to Jonny Blockchain, and as you can see at the moment, I've got 0 TEVAR here, and I'll refresh the screen. So now I've got this TEVAR, and I click on here, and I've got all these options. Okay, so if I go to ROI and I sort there, so this is the highest rate. So I'm looking at this one here, okay, which is to give me an 8% ROI. It's got a robot attached with it. It says the system, you know, the robot's going to, with my TEVAR, it's going to ask me to send it over to Binance. And then when it's on Binance, it's going to buy me some Ethereum. So I'm going to start the robot. I get these sliders, start that, click buy. And it says operation successful, do that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this, and I'm going to come up to trade and then go down to my routes. Now here's my trade at the top of the screen here, and it says waiting for withdrawal. So I'm going to click on this bit here that says view, and it's giving me the instructions of what I need. So it's telling me to go to Binance. So I'll click this link to take me over to Binance, and I'm going to sign in. So now I'm in Binance. I'm going to come to wallets at the top here and go to exchange wallet, deposit and withdrawal. So from this, then I'll go back to Jonny Blockchain. So it says go to the exchange Binance and generate a deposit address for TEVAR. So let me get a TEVAR address. So I just put in here USTD, and I click on deposit, and I've got these options, and I'm going to leave it on this ERC20, and I'm going to copy that address. I've copied that. First off, I'm going to bring that over to Jonny Blockchain, and I'm going to pop that in this first box. So that's in there. And now what I need to do is to go to Livecoin, which I've already got open over here. So if I come up to the top to balances, and there's my TEVAR, okay, there, and it says to click on withdraw. So I'm going to pop the TEVAR address in there because I've already got that on my thing. And then it says the amount. I'm just going to click on that like that. It's telling me that I'm going to get this much of a fee gone. So this is what I'm going to receive. So I'm going to copy that, take that over to Jonny Blockchain, pop that in that top box. Now I'm going to leave this pop-up open because what I want to do is to finish the withdrawal. So I'm going to click send the payment. So it says I should have 6 numbers. So I've got to get rid of the 89 off the end there. Let's just see if that does it. Put that in Jonny Blockchain. I'll take the 89 off the end of there. And let's try that as a withdrawal. Send payment. It says, do I want to send it? So I'm going to click confirm. And so here it's telling me, if I read that, it says enter the PIN, which is down the bottom here. And then it says your verification code was sent to you in an email. So I'll go to my email. So here's Livecoin. So there's the code that they've sent me. So I'll copy that, bring that into here and pop that into there. And then I've got to put my code in the bottom here. And I click confirm. Application status in progress. So I'm assuming now that they're going to process that order for me. So JB is going to wait for that to come before it can complete the trade. That's hopefully going to get processed very soon, and it's on its way. It will be going on its way over to Binance. So I'll pause the video now and I'll come back to you once that's done. Right, welcome back. Let me refresh this screen. I actually went and made a cup of tea. And the trade, I can see here that it says confirmed on the blockchain. So all I need to do now is to refresh this screen, and I'm going to see what happens with this trade. So I click OK to refresh. Wow, how fantastic is that? 7.7%. The one I did earlier was 15.2%. So I've made some great ROIs today, and I'm going to keep making these videos. Now, if you want to make trades like the one I just did, you can come and join us here at Jonny Blockchain. So if you go over to jonnyblockchain.com, the link's in the description. And once you're on this page, you can actually set up a 14-day free trial. So you'll get access to all of our arbitrage and all of our portfolio management and our trading system for 14 days completely free. And we'll also give you some free trading credits so that you can start trading straight away once you've connected your exchanges. Obviously, to join for free, just click on this button. You'll get this pop up, and then from this drop down menu, make sure you choose the starter account, which is a 14-day full access, and you'll get 5 free credits with that. So make sure you fill out your details, your name, your best email address, create yourself a password. We'll send you a confirmation email to let you know your account's been open, and I'll speak to you in another video. You have an amazing day and happy trading. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. And once you've done that, remember to click on the bell icon. This will make sure that you get notified when I upload a new video. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.